So I had this idea, right? I had bread. Got the, great value bread because, we broke over here. Put it in the toaster so, nice and toasty. But my mom has these guacamole things, right? Mini guacamoles, right? I got one. They're like this big. So we're going to put the guacamole on top of the toast. We're going to split that in half. Oh, shit. I thought I heard footsteps. Yeah. That's not funny. Right? I'm rushing because this is not my guacamole. This is my dad's guacamole. So if he catches me eating this shit, woo. And now, Mama, I'm trying to burn the house down. This shit busted. Mom, try this. No, seriously, try this.
No, me, I tried it.
Anyways, so I have this last bit of guacamole.
You eating my guac?
No.
Yeah, that's my guac. Don't touch my shit. Don't touch my shit.
You want a piece?
No, I don't want a fucking piece. Don't touch my shit. Because you know what? I don't care. Don't touch my shit. You know why? Because you nasty. You come in here, you upset at the world, and you take it out on us. Then you told me, Daddy, I'm going to go home. I'm here. I'm going to go upstairs. Okay, next thing you know, you're gone. You don't say goodbye. You don't say, hey, Dad, Mom, I see you guys tomorrow. Nothing. So rude.
This guacamole busting.
That was mine. Don't bust shit. My guac.
Let me hurry up because this is my dad's guacamole, and when he comes down.